Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm James. This is Too Random. We took a little mini vacation here to Ithaca, New York, and we thought we'd bring you guys along with us. We went to an awesome place called Puddle Dockers. They have a retail store there and they do rentals, kayaks, canoes, all kinds of cool stuff. They took really good care of us. So we went there and rented some kayaks and we kayaked across Cayuga Lake all the way to Ithaca Falls. Well, almost all the way to Ithaca Falls. The creek got a little shallow. We had to pull the rest of the way, but we made it. It's awesome. That's what this video is about. We hope you guys like it. Make sure you hit the like button if you do. Subscribe to the channel for some more videos. And make sure you stay tuned to the end for a special announcement. Alright, you guys, let's get right into it. Enjoy the video. No? I-90. No? Alright. Alright, fine, I'll shut up. I am ready. Oh my god. Let me go all the way to the waterfall.
ass sexy. Underneath the waterfall. Oh yeah. Oh man, yes. That is beautiful. Let's start going in the video. What we're here for? No? We're deep in it today, boys. We're deep in it. This is how it goes. Look at him. Get help! Get a foot away! Hey, your glasses. That, boys, we are right on this thing. The waterfall is raining down on us! We're all lost! No one can defeat us! We're amazing! Bye! James over there dancing. I got people staring at me like I'm crazy. You ain't gonna get no closer than this. You're so far away!
I was wondering how we were going to get past this big ass waterfall to go further and see more waterfalls. Well, it does, but try to make it up the waterfall first.
Alright everybody, thanks for watching the video. You made it through. We really appreciate it. If you could hit that like button, smash that subscribe button for us, we'd really appreciate that too. Make sure you stay tuned. The next video is going to be a kind of continuation of this video. We spent the day Cornell University seeing all the other waterfalls there in the area in Ithaca. It's an amazing, beautiful area, and we just had fun all day long. So we hope we captured some of that for you guys. Make sure you tune into the next video to see it, and we'll catch you next time. Too Random, out.